Hey gang, this is Siobhan with SLK Services, and I wanted to do a quick video for you guys today. So, today I want to talk to you guys about technical issues. So, one of the things that you run into or can run into when you work from home are technical issues. And one of the things that I noticed in my YouTube videos, like I posted videos, but all of my videos are blurry. So, and I know that you want them to be the best quality when you're posting them online. So I wanted to show you guys how to fix that, but going forward, I'm also going to share with you guys some of the common technical issues that you run into when you work from home, and hopefully try to show you guys how to navigate those. And there are some in particular when it comes to the call center space that you run into quite often, and I want to share those with you in some of my next videos. But I also want to talk to you guys about how to start a call center, so that will be my next video, hopefully, for you guys next, is how to start a call center. And then after that, I'll show you guys some of the technical things and just go from there. But I thank you guys so very much for coming over to watch my video on today. And so if this is your first time here, don't forget to like, subscribe, and also comment down below just to let me know you were here. So here's what we need to do to fix my YouTube channel as far as the video. So I'm just going to show you guys just a snippet of the video to show you guys exactly what I'm referring to. So I'm going to mute the sound in here. So as you can see, it's kind of clear, but not as clear as it should be. So this particular video is blurry as all the videos on my YouTube channel, but I'm going to show you guys how to fix that. So when you look at this video, and I'm looking at this video on my computer screen, it looks like this on my phone screen, looks like this on my tablet screen, to where things are blurry. So you can't really read what's there. You can see it and make out some of it, but you can't see all of it. So what you would need to do in order to fix this is you're gonna open up, if you're creating your YouTube channel, and this will, once you fix it on one video, it will fix all the videos on your channel. So what you want to do is open up a YouTube video, go down here, and you'll see like these little icons down here. You want to go to the settings. So the quality is saying 360 pixels. You want to set it to 720. And so as you can see, when I set it to 720, the images are much clearer. I'm going to take it back to 360 so that you can see the difference. Okay, so that's 360. And this is going to be, I'm going to try to let you guys see what it looks like. So 144 looks like you can't barely make out anything. So once you set it one time, it should automatically set for all your videos. So I'm going to go back to the beginning of the video so that you guys can see. So as you can see, it is much clearer. Everything is much nicer when it comes to seeing the images on the screen. So that's what I wanted to share with you guys. Until next time, guys, I will see you all in the next video. Thank you.